Good morning. Today we're doing family names in Zulu. We've got grandma, ugogo, ugogo, mother, umama, umama, or just mama, sister, sissy, sissy, ma'am, nkosazana, nkosazana, father, ubaba, or just baba, niece and nephew, umshana, umshana, brother, booty or ubuti, you can say booty or ubuti, grandfather, umkulu, umkulu, your aunt and your mother's sister, umakulu, umakulu, your aunt father's sister, umbabekazi, umbabekazi, uncle, father's brother, your father's brother that's younger than the father is babomkane, babomkane, and older than your father is ubabomkulu, ubabomkulu. Thank you.